Yes.
Both
So
are
it will
white.
be white pigeon.
Both are white. How to? Okay. So now let's start. So pigeon drawing is very easy. So first make the circle. Okay. Here, small circle. Make sure we are doing color after, not this drawing. After the, this is only the sketch. Only sketch. Okay. So
This
make
is
it
only
the
the sketching drawing. After this, we will do the coloring. Color drawing.
next drawing. Next drawing. Yeah. So make a oval and the down, and make it again. After the circle, make the neck like this, and then you make one other oval like this. Simple oval. So one oval, two oval. Okay, and that oval you can go like this, little longer. Make it something like this. Okay, and then after the tail is like this. Okay, so this is the this body circle little bigger. The shape is like this. The neck is little smaller and body is bigger. Make it little bigger, okay, this body. This oval. And then the tail. Tail. This oval little bigger. Make it. And tail. This is sketching, so we can use lots of line, not an issue. Okay. आराम से. हाँ लिखे अच्छा. 9129. Okay. आराम से take time.
Sir Joanne, here I'm done.
Very good. Can you share me how to draw our?
Sir and Sriyadita, is it fine?
Yes, please. Show me. Yes. Fine. It is better one thing. Make the head little smaller. And you know, the head is, this line is coming bigger like this. I want to say, see this head is small and this line is coming big. This line is big, this is small. So it's coming bigger. But your drawing is like this. This line is bigger. You draw like this. Okay? And not like, okay? You should draw like this. This small and then big. Okay, beta? Here the big. Understood? Yes. आराम से. So now, first make this shape. Honestly, okay? What a shape? Shape is that oval first, then the neck, and then big oval, and just join this. This is the shape. First shape, okay? आराम से. You guys are amazing artists, so don't worry.
Sir, now is it fine and Sriyadita?
Yes.
Okay.
Fine.
Sir, please, can you go to the next step?
Yes, beta. So you can go ahead after that. Just a second. Just make it line. Here the eyes for the pigeon. This is a pigeon, so pigeon have the two lines like this. Okay. And make over here the pigeon's wings. Okay, here make the wings. Okay, like this. Here you can make the two leg. Okay, one, this one, two first. Then one, two. Okay. Here is two leg. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. Like this. Okay. This is a pigeon. So you can make it like this. Sketch is very important. Every day practice the sketching. This is a very important. As a good artist, if you are a good artist, make the sketch every day. That is help. मैंगो चखना था उधर तो बोली हो गया okay, so make the sketch. This is sketch only, so you can go ahead very nicely. Okay, you can show me, then I can understand what how Srijan, Srijan.
Sir, can we go to the next step?
Yes, I'll go for next steps. Can you share me? It's just next step is that we are just erasing this construction line and do it nicely. Here is the construction line. Okay. You can see this very proper, nice drawing over here. Okay. The third number drawing, I start the color. So be ready with color. This is only sketching.